Hi and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair or hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I have the Glory palette from Lime Crime to review. So it's this one just here. So it's a very basic sort of design for a palette, but we've got this really cute little like, what do you call this, like a sparkle, and then obviously Lime Crime Glory on the front just there. So it's a plastic palette. And then inside we have this colour story just here. So it's very pink, sort of pinky. It is quite summery if I'm being totally honest, but you know. So obviously it's a £9 palette. We do have 5 matte shades and 4 shimmers in there. So it's a really nice ratio of mattes to shimmers as well. I'll give them a quick swatch for you now. Okay, so here is what the swatches look like. These are lovely, really, really nice. I'm looking forward to trying this one out. The matte shades are beautifully pigmented. They swatched really nicely, and the shimmers were stunning, very, very buttery. I think that this one here is like a pink to kind of orangey, bronzy duochrome. Maybe with a hint of gold in it as well, actually. But yeah, really, really pretty. So yeah, they seem to swatch quite nicely actually. I'm looking forward to digging into this. So let's get it on my eyes. So I'm going to start off by dipping into this shade just here. So it's kind of like a neutral shade, and I'm going to be using that as a transition shade. Nicely pigmented as well. That's worked really, really well. It's a really nice colour actually. It's kind of like a peachy, orangey shade, but it's kind of got that neutral tone to it. So I'm really liking that one. And then what I'm going to do is in the inner and the outer corner just here, I am going to use, I think I'm going to go for the bright pink, you know. I'm going to go for this one here. So a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I'm going for that one. And I'm going to take it just a little bit into my crease just here as well, because I want to do kind of like a bit of a halo eye. So I'm going in with that one. It's a very pretty pink, but as I say, it's very much out my comfort zone. I normally don't go this bright with a pink, but you know, you've got to try these things. It's nicely pigmented though. I always aim to leave a bigger gap than I do when I'm doing the kind of the halo eye-ish look. I say ish because I'm not the best at it, but yeah, I always end up with like the tiniest gap ever. It actually looks really nice where it blends with this shade that I've put up here. The middle shade that it creates is kind of like a really nice, slightly darker peachy orange, which is lovely. Okay, so that's that done. So as I said before, I've left the tiniest little gap there, but that's fine. So the shade that I'm going to use in the middle, I think I'm going to go for this one here, which was kind of like the dewy chrome. The duochrome, which is this one just here in the corner. At least I think it's a duochrome. It certainly looked it from the swatch anyway. So I'm going to place that on the centre of my lid just here. So I'm going to take advice from a few of you and use a setting spray on my brush to use the shimmer. I have tried that before, but the last time I tried it, the shimmer kind of cracked. So I've been a bit dubious to try it ever since, but you know, we'll try again. That's really, really pretty. Really nice colour. So I'm just going to blend the edges of that using the pink shade again. Okay, that's gone really well. Really happy with that. Okay, so here is the finished look, and I am really happy with how this turned out. Really happy. I would never in a million years normally put this brighter pink on my eyelids, but I actually really like it. And I love how it combines with the shimmer that I've put in the centre as well. I think they go together absolutely beautifully. Really, really nice. I do think it's more of like a spring summer look, but you know, that's absolutely fine. I was kind of a bit limited to the colours that I had in the palette, if I'm being honest, but you know, there we go. I was testing it out. But yeah, I think the palette is absolutely beautiful. Lovely pigment, really nice to blend, and a really nice quality palette as well. Highly recommend it. So as always, the product used in today's video, I will link in the description box below for you, along with any discount codes, anything like that. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future. And you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.